Let's be honest, push-ups look simple until you actually try one.
You get down, place your hands on the floor, start lowering yourself, and then your arms start shaking, your chest barely moves, and you realize you can't even do one full rep.
It feels embarrassing, right?
Especially when you see others knocking out push-ups like it's nothing.
But here's the truth. Not being able to do a push-up doesn't mean you're weak. It just means your body hasn't built the right strength yet.
Most people who struggle with push-ups think it's all about arm strength. But a real push-up is a full-body movement.
Your chest, shoulders, arms, core, and even your legs work together to hold your body in a straight line.
If one link in that chain is weak, the whole thing falls apart.
That's why trying to do a full push-up right away often ends in frustration. Your body just isn't ready to move as one solid unit yet.
The good news? There's a simple cheat code to build up to your first real push-up without feeling like you're failing every time you try.
You just need to start where you are and progress step by step.
Think of it like leveling up in a game.
You don't jump straight to the boss level. You build skill through smaller, easier stages first.
Start with wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, arms straight, hands about shoulder width apart, and take a small step back.
Now bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall, then push yourself back.
This version takes away most of your body weight, so you can focus on form, keeping your body straight, tightening your core, and learning how the movement should feel. Do this until it feels easy, maybe around 10 to 15 smooth reps without losing form.
Without losing form.
Once wall push-ups feel comfortable, move down to an incline.
Use a sturdy surface like a table, a countertop, or even a bench.
The lower the surface, the harder it gets. This step teaches your body to support more of your weight while keeping the same movement pattern.
Focus on controlling your body as you go down, not just pushing back up. If you can do 8 to 12 reps on an incline without your hips sagging or your shoulders shrugging, you're getting close to the real deal.
Now it's time for the final bridge to your first full push-up. Negative push-ups.
Start in the top push-up position, with your hands under your shoulders and your body straight. Slowly lower yourself down to the floor, as slow as you can. Don't worry about pushing back up. Just drop your knees, reset, and repeat.
This builds strength exactly where you need it, the lowering phase, and teaches your muscles how to control your body through the hardest part of the motion. When you can control the negative part easily, try a full push-up.
Start in the same strong position, lower your body to the floor, and then push back up. Even if you only manage one, celebrate it.
That one rep is proof that your body has learned what it couldn't do before. And from there, it's all about consistency, adding one more rep each week until you feel unstoppable.
Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels.
Don't flare your elbows out like wings. They should point slightly back, not sideways.
And finally, don't rush your progress.
Building push-up strength is about teaching your body control, not just powering through. So here's your takeaway. If you can't do a push-up today, it doesn't mean you'll never be able to. It just means you're on step 1 of the process. Start with wall push-ups, move to incline push-ups, then master negatives, and soon you'll be doing full push-ups with confidence. Remember, every rep, no matter how easy it looks, is a step toward your goal. Progress is progress.